So Ethereum, we are already back to the 2017 high, testing the level now, this 1400 area. I was planning to be a buyer back in end of last year when I sold off my Ethereum. I was thinking to start accumulating that. However, I have not doing that yet, just because the overall picture, the stock market is bearish, Nasdaq is bearish. We've still got a lot of concern in inflation. I know it's, you say, oh, inflation, what are you talking about? This is cryptocurrency. This is one whole financial market. We are more connected than ever. So cryptocurrency are very strongly correlated, especially to Nasdaq. They are very bearish at the moment. So what I see is we probably will see a little bounce, but I see this break. And as soon as this 14 break, we could be heading back to around this area, which is, let me get the price, 700, about 700 area. So that would be the area that I'll be looking to buy. Okay, so shorter term, what do I do? Let's go back to my other chart. Ethereum, bear me. Daily, I think, is a bit overdone, so I really need to see some kind of rejection around here. The 20 EMA sort of bounce back to here. Get you the price around the 1760 area, then look to be a seller. So definitely take some in this previous of 1400, and then I may leave some running as well. I hope it helps, but before I put on the trade, I always put on my Discord community. If you become a member, you can follow my trade, interact with me. It's very simple to join us. Follow me on YouTube, drop me a comment, and I'll add you in the community. Thank you so much.